cutting out the parts for the new 8-footer. There's the side rails. Now we're doing the countersinks. So far, all the parts are coming out looking great. Alright, look proud. Limits make it pop limits. Check this out.
I guess damn fuck this wood. Looks like, hey, I see a tail. That's good. That's what we want. They're not even stuck. They're not even. I want to cut it out. And we're gonna put the wall. Somebody take it now? Yeah, I did. Oh, I did. Get her done, son. Woo! Well, thanks for tomorrow. I had to take every Saturday to the okay. No, fourth Saturday. Every Saturday we have ribeyes. You get burned out on them. We're gonna have one thing. Damn! Hey, did you notice the line in the... They go back around and I'll pull it down. Oh, the... Yeah. Turn it over. We're on test match, so who cares? You want to try something new in a new spot? I don't care. Where's mine? Let's split the board. Oh, I was just saying what I was doing. Now we're talking. So we can't